Hi there, I'm Eva Raquel from Concordia College. Have you heard about the amazing Laboradio project? It's a unique initiative by Posh School Network in over 16 African countries being implemented in Namibia through the Goethe-Institut of Namibia. On board and supporting is Hit Radio Namibia and Funkhaus Namibia. A select number of students from various Posh schools countrywide, including myself, were selected and invited to Hotel Thule for an incredible time learning all about radio production and using the German language. Everyone was so nervous on the first day. To break the ice, we had the chance to get to know each other and our workshop facilitators through fun and exciting games that made everyone feel comfortable and ready to learn about radio. We met Yasko, a news reporter on Hit Radio who helped us understand the importance of radio platforms for a country like Namibia. With our diverse backgrounds, we realized its essential role in ensuring that Namibians remain informed and connected to the rest of the country. With Zabila and Corina taking care of us, we split into teams with our selected topics to start creating our own radio segments. These included the new AS level system, the environment, mental health, father figures, sex education, and the influence of social media on its users. We then learned about vox pops and how to conduct an interview for the radio. I was so excited to hit the streets of Windhoek and interview people on their opinions about our topics. We also interviewed experts. Once we were happy with our data collection, we returned to the hotel where Yasko and Zabila showed us how to edit the audio clips towards the final product. We even wrote and recorded our own voiceovers. Over the next few days, we put our pieces of sound together and we were ready to present. It was interesting to see how each group's podcast turned out. I know I'm not only speaking for myself when I say this has been an amazing experience and opportunity for us to learn new things about radio, gain new sound production skills, and learn more about using the German language on radio, while also having fun. Thank you so much to Goethe-Institut and the Posh Network for making this possible. And thank you to the Laboradio project.